Hey babe, do you know our Netflix password?
Oh, it's our anniversary.
Shit. So, when you say anniversary, are you talking about the first time we kissed? The first time we said I love you to each other?
No, our official anniversary, the day we started dating.
Right, yes, that's the one I tried, but it's not working. Can you type it in for me?
Babe, I'm busy. Can you just type it in? It's not that hard.
I tried, but, it could be like an uppercase, lowercase thing.
No, it can't be because it's all numbers.
Right, yeah, I'm over here typing in the whole word like I typed in March.
Wait, why were you typing March? Our anniversary is in May.
Did I say March? I meant May, that's my favorite month of all time. Talk to you easy.
Babe, be honest. You forgot our anniversary, didn't you?
What? Me? Forget our anniversary? No, never. It's the most important day of the year.
It's today. Today is our anniversary.
Like today?
Yeah.
Oh, wow, what a coincidence.